never gonna believe this. Come check this out. So we just received word that the Soleno culvert that we're gonna be using to update the tunnel jump is close to being delivered. So I called my buddy Dan Edgecombe. He is gonna come up, give us a hand unloading it. How massive this pipe is that we're getting. Great big culvert, looks awesome. I'll work on getting it unloaded. Look, and they even sent a Dan with it. Look, it's a Dan. Shout out to SolenoUSA.com for the monster culvert. Let's go see what the, look at this thing, is massive. How you doing?
Hi, how you doing, Vic?
Good?
Yeah, good.
Good trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Well, we'll work on getting you unloaded.
Man, it's quite a piece of rigging.
Yeah, so they claim this has a watertight connection. So they even have like field joints, I guess, that they were talking about, us actually having to put the two together. They welded that right in their factory. And then I think you can even have holes cut in the side that are watertight also.
Wow. They definitely know how to handle the water.
Probably give him a hand throwing them straps. And online they do some stuff for like farm irrigation too. This is just like their culverts. Those things are beefy, aren't they?
Yeah. Buddy, you know how many people you're going to make happy with that big thing?
Yeah. This was picked up in New York this morning and arrived here around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So let's try to get it unloaded. And here you could even come in and pick that up.
Pick it up,
I
pull
wonder
it.
how much of it would pick up. Figured you'd be right here.
Okay.
And then I'll pull that out and maybe just stick one in on the side, or?
Yeah, I was just worried about it coming off one side.
I might, yeah, there you go. How does Dan always have what you need? He's got a wheel chock in his skid steer. That's a track skid steer. Yeah, he just had to call somebody and translate that those were his wheel chock things that I just split in half.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Those are mine. Mine, he says.
What is this, 40 something feet?
Okay, I got another idea. Pick that up again. Now I'm gonna stick something like you said under the front, so when you set it back down, it'll be up off the... I'm wondering if I should go get a strap, feed that around that, and even before you get close, kind of hook it up so it doesn't
go the other way.
I got a couple straps I'll go grab.
I got one in the back of my pickup too.
Can this Cat 289D pick up this massive culvert? Just enough. Yeah. We're doing it, Dan. Keep her coming. Oh, shit. We did it. Done loaded. All good. All good. Oh, go ahead, Dan.